and then select this, or click here and then control key and click this, and you can click here continuously, it will come like this. Then remove and press escape key from your keyboard, so it is gone here. And now example, if you want 3 computer, click here, then click control key in your keyboard and click here, so it will be in your key. Like no need to go here again, you can press here, directly it will come, and here directly it will come, here directly it will come. And if you want to remove, you can press escape key from your keyboard, it will remove. An example, I need server, I will press control key and click the server, I will keep one here, and escape, it will remove from our key, our pointer, from our pointer. So we need the access point. This one already we know. If you need the switch, click here and click here, you will get, we will use this switch. And now if you want to take computer, you will click here. This is a computer, this is a laptop, this is a server. Which one we need, we can take that one. Now we need to look where is the access point. Access point will be present in the wireless device. So if you click here, you can see this is a wireless device. When you keep your mouse here, you will see here written the name also. Like I click here, I put my mouse here, you are getting here router, switches, this is hub, this is a wireless device. So click this one. When you click, all the wireless devices, whatever is available here, it will come here. So here if you see, this is a controller. Later we will do the controller 2504. This is also controller, this is also controller. So when you are using the controller, that time you need to use this access point, lightweight access point. But now we need the access point without controller. So we can take this one. This is normal access point. So I can take here one. I can drag and drop here. I can drag and drop here. Then click the cable, click control on your keyboard and click here. This is automatic cable, and click here. Example, I will say this one from here to here, and here this one, and between the switch we will connect like this, and here like this, and here this way we can connect, and between. Yes, this is our wish, whatever way you want to connect. I'm not following what we do in nodes, I'm just randomly connecting in our own words. Means you can follow the nodes topology, or you can design in your own way also, no problem. So now here you have department, so I can connect here, and we told we have the 3 departments, so we can take 3 department. So here I will say like this one, we can say VLAN 10, and let me move this up somewhere here, and I can say this is the server, or instead of connecting this here, I can connect here. Our wish, wherever you need, you can connect anywhere. So this way, so it look little attractive. So here I connected the PC, so I can use this switch, or keep all the guys in the second floor, only servers we are keeping in the third floor, like that we can say also. So this is the cabling we done, and now what I will do here, we will put like switch name, we can put whatever the switch name we are using, switch one we are using, so I can say this is the switch one. So this is the first floor, I can say this is the second floor, and here we can say this is a third floor. So here you have 3 floor. Now we need to think whatever VLAN. So we can say 3 VLAN as we done before. I can take this color here, click here, select color. I can take this for some VLAN. I will take this, like maybe we can say anyone, we can say account or sales, IT, anything we can take. So whatever I take here, I will take this also here, and here one server also I will put in that VLAN like this. And then I will change the color here. Example, this one, I will put the guest guy in this VLAN. So whatever the guest or subcontractor coming to our company, they can access this VLAN. And what else we have, we can say one more VLAN. So I will take this color to differentiate, and here I will take this one, and here I will put this server here. So like this I done, I can press escape key from the keyboard, so it will remove, and later if you want, you can move like this, you can move like this, and here like this, our wish, whatever you want to keep. So now as we say, we have the 3 VLAN, so I will take here 3 VLAN, so we can write somewhere, so it will be easy for us.